In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Walgreens ATM locations near me. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Walgreens website. Once the homepage loads, you'll want to look for the store locator section, since that's the tool Walgreens uses to show nearby store locations. This is the easiest place to begin if you're trying to find a Walgreens location that may have an ATM available. After you're on the Walgreens locator page, move to the search bar and type in your zip code. Using your zip code is a quick way to narrow the search to stores in your local area, especially if you want results that are close to home, work, or wherever you currently are. Make sure the zip code is entered correctly so the location results are as accurate as possible. Once you've entered the zip code, click the search button. This will tell the Walgreens website to pull up nearby store locations based on the area you entered. Depending on your internet speed, the results may appear almost instantly, or it may take a moment to load. Just give it a second if needed. When the results page appears, you'll see the nearby locations listed on the left-hand side of the screen. This section will show you the Walgreens stores closest to the zip code you searched for. From here, you can review the different locations and compare which one is most convenient for you. As you look through the results, it's a good idea to click into individual store listings if you need more information. In many cases, store details can help you confirm the location, hours, and other services available. If your goal is specifically to find an ATM, checking the details for the nearest stores can help you decide which location to visit first. If you don't see the result you want right away, try searching with a nearby zip code to expand your options. This can be helpful if you live near the edge of a town or if the closest Walgreens is just outside your immediate area. That's all it takes to begin finding Walgreens locations near you using the website. Start at the Walgreens homepage, enter your zip code into the search bar, click search, and then review the nearby results listed on the left-hand side. With just a few clicks, you can quickly locate the Walgreens stores closest to you and choose the one that works best for your visit.